On Friday, the U.S. currency gained while gold was under pressure. Fed rate hike expectations were boosted by congressional testimony this week. Meanwhile, progress towards completing a bailout deal for Greece deprived gold of safe haven demand. Germany's lower house of parliament backed the plan a day after Greek lawmakers passed strict measures that were a prerequisite for the deal. Also, the ECB raised the amount of emergency liquidity available to Greek banks. In U.S. economic data, the University of Michigan's Consumer Sentiment Index fell from a 5-month high. The preliminary reading for the month of July came in at 93.3 from a final June level of 96.1. And June CPI showed a fifth straight month of gains, up 0.3%, but coming in line with estimates. Excluding food and energy costs, core CPI rose 0.2% after rising 0.1% in May. And in the housing sector, housing starts surged 9.8% in June, while building permits soared to a near 8-year high. Taking a closer look at the spot FX markets, the U.S. currency continues to see upside. Euro-dollar was off just 0.2% in afternoon trade to trade hands at 1.0853. Meanwhile, the dollar-yen did turn a smidgen lower, down by minus 0.1% at 123.96. For the British pound against the U.S. currency, it is down 0.2% at 1.5631. The spotlight is on the British pound against the yen on this Friday. The pair has broken below the support at 193.20 and remains under pressure. Trading central analysts prefer short positions below the resistance and previous top at 194.35, with targets coming at 192.70 and 191.80 in extension. In the precious metals markets, gold is trading near an 8-month low. It is all about the rate hike expectations as well as dollar gains. August gold was down by about 1%, trading at $1131.10 an ounce. And silver is in the spotlight on this Friday. It hit a first target at $14.83 and remains under pressure. The RSI indicator for that precious metal is below its neutrality area at 50%, and trading central analysts prefer short positions below $15.03 with targets at $14.75 and $14.65 in extension. That does wrap it up for the session and for the week. Don't forget to follow Trading Central on Twitter for all of your Forex market updates. I'm Remy Blair reporting for Trading Central TV from the New York Stock Exchange.